I'm Nilansh and I'm a touch typer. You might wonder what touch typing is. It is the practice or skill of typing using all of your fingers and without looking at the keys. It's a great hobby and a fun party trick. So, what you are viewing is endurance typing, one of the types in touch typing where you have to keep a consistent speed for a long duration of time. Here I have chosen 5000 words and it took me around 40 minutes to complete it. So while you see this progression, I'll tell you about my experience and how I got into touch typing. I started touch typing when I was in college, so I had no idea where to start. One of my friends suggested me Typing Club, an online platform where you learn how to type. I searched for it and it has a great module and progressive way of learning where you start with the basics. So as you know, there are various number of ways where you can start to learn. Some people are already into typing in their corporate jobs or they are writers. So you can be at any point, but touch typing is a very specific type of sport where you have to be very consistent and you have to be, you have to be dedicated for it. So I digressed a bit. Let's go back to where I started. So in Typing Club, the basic thing which they teach you is to never look at your keyboard. That's the only requirement in this sport. You look first at the key home row where the F and J keys are located. They have little bumps on it. You can see it in your own keyboard, and there you place your hand. Every time your key, your fingers move, it has to come back to the home row. That's the only prerequisite. Other than that, this is the game where hand-eye coordination is the most important, and muscle memory plays as your dark horse. Where the more you are in tune with your keyboard, your layout, and how you can perform will go on with this technique itself. Telling you about how I was when I started, I was awful. I could barely manage 20 words per minute. So just so you know, words per minute is the measurement of touch typing, where in a minute how many words you can type. Quite simple, it's in the name itself. I had to look for keys all the time. I would look right there, where are the keys, and it was very frustrating in the beginning. As I practiced, I got a hang of it. Over a period of time, I ventured out to different websites to hone my skills. Apart from Typing Club, there is 10 Fast Fingers, there is Key BR, there is another website known as Type Racer. So these were the initial websites on which I used to practice. I used to give it around 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and the reason I dedicated my time into it was because in college you have so many activities you can pursue, and I wanted to be the best at this thing. Very few people did this, and I thought maybe if I could do this, I would be a bit more popular. So that was my reason. Anyways, so the things initially increased at a very slow pace. I had 20 words per minute, then it increased to 25, then 28, 30, then some for quite a while it used to be not even 1 word per minute increment for a whole month. So you were stuck in key P, for example, or key N. So there are some hurdles to this game, and where you have to be just consistent so that you can improve. And as I'll share with you, the progression in this sport is very different compared to other sports. So here there is a weird graph. The progression graph in touch typing is very bizarre. I have made a separate graph for you to see. Here you can see that you quickly move from a novice to an intermediate with an average of 60 to 80 words per minute. That's where most people lie in the spectrum or if you draw a population chart kind of a graph, uh, as I remember in my mathematics course, it was a distribution graph where most of the people lie in the 60 to 80 words per minute range. Most people die off after that, and there are very few, the top 1 percentile of people who manage to cross 120, 130 words per minute. So it was around 2023 that I started to reach the coveted 100 words per minute in general typing with punctuations, numbers, and capital letters. And that's when I discovered that I could be good at it, and I pursued it, and it took me a while to be even better at it. So currently I'll share my stats with you. My 1 minute burst typing speed is 142. My endurance typing, which you are seeing, you'll get to see at the end of it. I will not spoil the result. My 15-minute burst typing would be around 162 words per minute, and the best stat which I have is the 10 word speed. So you just get 10 words to type as fast as you can, and I have 175 words per minute. So yeah, that's kind of my progression, and I am continuing with this. Okay, so I'll also like to share a bit more about touch typing. So there are various subcategories in this sport, where there is burst typing, which I mentioned earlier, in which you have to give it your all in a very short span of time. So for example, a 10-second type or a 15-second type. Then there is endurance typing, as you are seeing now, and then there are separate categories along with touch typing. So there are punctuations, where you can only type words, and along with that there would be punctuation in the middle. So that's a different kind of a beast, very difficult. Then there is dictionary typing. This category lies inside this endurance typing. As you can see, there are only popular dictionary words. I guess the most popular 1000 words which are coming and repeating in this burst typing. So you can see that, and then there are numbers, there are quotations, and so on. So I'll let you enjoy it. I'll even show you the top view of my keyboard when I type, so you can enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, I'll post more so as to educate you how you can get to this level of consistent typing over a long period. Thank you.